Hello everyone, my name is Nagita Finasia. We are from Group G. And now we are glad to have the opportunity to present a very interesting topic, talking about possibility in all the time are related. The first objective of the study, and this study aims to understand how modern workplaces have to evolve due to technological advancement and changing work system. It focuses on four main objectives: analyzing the transformation of workplace through technology and digital communication, understanding the impact of remote hybrid work on productivity, work-life balance, and employees' well-being, evaluating both the opportunities and challenges of modern workplace such as collaboration and communication barriers. Developing critical thinking skill by analyzing work pattern and predicting future development. Material degradation core concept. The transformation of modern workplace is supported by three key concepts that the influence how organization operate today. Digital transformation refers to the use the technology such as virtual communication platform, cloud computing, and automating to improve efficiency and enable remote collaboration. Workplace flexibility allow employees to work remote or through hybrid arrangement, giving them great flexibility while improving work-life balance. Global work-life dynamics encourage collaboration across countries, creating more deep, inclusive, and globally connect workplace. Analyze depth. These materials are not students to think critical by evaluating the positive and negative aspects to modern workplace. The main advantages include great workplace flexibility, improved work-life balance, and access to global talent. Uh, However, modern workplace also present severe challenges including employees isolation, limited face-to-face interaction, and communication difficulties. Based on the conditions, students are expected to analyze how technology might continue to respect our workplace culture and predict future development.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arya Tirta Pandita and will continue what already be explained by Nagita. In this part, I will discuss communicative activities and the transformation of modern workplace. This topic explains how modern technology and networking system have changed the way people communicate, collaborate, and work in today's world. War, war. First, let's look at communicative activities. Let's go. To strengthen student understanding, this material provides several interactive learning activities. Student participative in group discussion to compare remote work with traditional office environment and share their option. They also complete case analysis by identifying workplace problem and providing solution. In addition, creative takes students to present their ideas about the future of work while improving their communication and critical thinking skill. Next I will explain the transformation of modern workplace. The global landscape of employment has changed dramatically. Traditional office structure structure may never fully return to their original form because remote work has created new for people to balance their professional lives more effective. Today, employees can collaborate with colleagues from different using advanced digital tools. This development may create a more diverse and inclusive global workplace and reduce the importance of physical office location in the future. However, this transformation also brings several challenges with a certain physical workplace. Some employees may experience feeling of isolation, due their personal and professional lives. Communication problem can also at times do use the right technology or file in establish effective communication practice. Therefore, leaders need to develop new management strategies to keep remote efficient and productive. In solution, the future of work will likely move toward hybrid model that combination flexibility with minimum human interaction. We cannot predict exactly how technology will continue to evolve. Digital transformation will continue to shape the workplace. To success in this changing environment, both employers and employers must remain adaptable, innovative, and open to new ways working. That all from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Ilham Putra and I'm from Universitas Pamulang. I'm in question JP004 and now I will presentation in English subject. I'm from group 3. I will presentation from group 3 and then I will reading our presentation in question and answer. In this have 4 slides for question and answer. Okay, I will start now and then the first one from lecture 1. Can you give me the difference between modal verb and possibility in present? And then the 2 and the second difference between possibility in the past and possibility the future. Give an example. In the third, please find instance from the reading text are related by past times and future. This is from the lecture, and then from the audience. Number 1, I would like to ask Sunagita, well, only the past possibilities of 3. Please give me the example with use subject or pronouns. The first one, the question from another group, and then we must answer. And then done and finish the answer. The second from another group again. Give me example of a sentence that shows future possibility. This question for Arya Tirta Pandita, and Arya Tirta Pandita is finished to answer the question. And then question and answer from the other source. The first one, question. The question is identify the modal verbs used to express a weak possibility in the future. Uh, and then the answer, the primary modal verbs used for weak, future possibility are might, may, and could. The second, the question is how does the meaning change when you use must have versus might? The answer must have express a logical deduction almost certain, whereas might have express a remote or uncertain possibility about the past. And the third, the question is based on text, both climate change, analyze why the author used could instead of will when discussing reaching sea levels. The answer, the author used could to reflect scientific uncertainty and the presence of variables. Using will would imply a factual certainty that the current data, which is based on various possible scenarios, cannot yet guarantee. And then the fourth question is evaluate the following statement. He can be at home right now. Is this grammatically and contextually effective for expressing possibility? And the answer, it is ineffective. While can express general ability theoretical possibility, but a specific present possibility is might, or could is required. One should say he could be at home. And then the five question is construct a hypothesis for historical what if scenario using past model of possibility. The answer, if the library of Alexandria had not been destroyed, a scientific knowledge might have accelerated the Renaissance by several centuries, and humanity could have reached the industrial age much sooner. Okay, that's from me. I read and I presentation from question and answer from audience and from the lecture, and the question that our question is we finish to answer and then just I just representation again in video before I finish presentation in class. Okay, thank you.